Ser.
To be, the permanent state.
Ser.
To be,
Ser. Yo soy.
I am.
Tú eres.
You are.
Él es.
He is.
Nosotros somos.
We are.
Vosotros sois.
You are.
Ellos son.
They are.
Estar.
To be, the temporary states.
Estar.
To be,
Estar. Yo estoy.
I am.
Tú estás.
You are.
Él está.
He is.
Nosotros estamos.
We are.
Vosotros estáis.
You are.
Ellos están.
They are. What is the difference between
Ser.
and?
Estar.
There are two verbs that mean to be in Spanish.
Ser.
And.
Estar.
The first one
Ser.
is used in a simple way to talk about what something is, the permanent state, to describe characteristics that are an essential part of the thing we are talking about. Here is an example.
Soy Paul Miller.
I am Paul Miller. The second one
Estar.
is used to talk about how something is, so we use it for conditions, locations, emotions, and actions, the temporary states. Here is an example.
Estoy bien.
I am fine.
Ser.
To be, the permanent state.
Ser.
To be,
Ser. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él es. Nosotros somos. Vosotros sois. Ellos son. Estar.
to be, the temporary states.
Estar.
To be,
Estar. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Nosotros estamos. Vosotros estáis. Ellos están. Tener.
to have.
Tener. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Él tiene. Nosotros tenemos. Vosotros tenéis. Ellos tienen. Tener.
To have.
Tener.